Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about value. Value is nothing more than lights and darks in a painting. And in this particular painting, the lightest value would be this woman's hair, which I painted with titanium white and then some blends of bluish tones. And the darkest value is at around her feet and in the darkest grassy areas. And what I like about using values in a painting is that you can oftentimes hide surprises. So, what I mean by that is that at first glance, this painting is a woman sitting on a bench, an old woman sitting on a bench with a kind of stormy sky, a tree in the background, and she's out on a lawn or grassy field somewhere. On second glance, down at her feet is this kitty. And it's like, oh, I love that. It's a dark on dark value, and it's a surprise. I see so many of the master paintings doing things like this, like Matisse was great at it. And I've actually never tried it myself. So this is my first attempt at hiding a dark on a dark. Well, not really hiding, but just surprising the viewer with a dark on dark value. And in this case, I did that with the kitty down here by her feet. So anyway, I don't know how successful I am with it, but it was fun to make the painting, and it was fun to make an attempt at using value to surprise the viewer.